Johnston, Marshall, and Love counties. Therefore, the warning has been canceled for Carter County. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Johnston County in southeastern Oklahoma, Bryan County in southeastern Oklahoma, Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles north of Little City to near Willers, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durant, Maudeal, Tishomingo, Kingston, Colbert, Caddo, Boxito, Ravia, Achille, Silo, Milburn, Knefic, Camp, Meade, Armstrong, Hendricks, Cartwright, Utica, Blue, and Woodville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant